Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how we can install PYGLET library on a Mac machine. So first we will create a virtual environment because it is a good practice to create a virtual environment for each of the separate project. So we will also create virtual environment and inside that environment we will install this PYGLET library. And let's verify the installation of Python. So I will use Python 3 space hyphen hyphen version. So if you also get this type of output, you might get some other version as well. But if you get the output something like this, then it means the Python 3 is installed on your machine. Otherwise, you can refer the another video which is available on this channel itself, and the link of that video is present in the description below. So let's move forward to install the PYGLET library. So we will create the virtual environment in the downloads folder. You can create the environment in any of the folder. So I will go to the downloads folder first. So I will do cd and downloads, and here I will run this command python 3 space hyphen m venv, and I will write the name of the virtual environment which I want to create. So let's suppose I want to create pyglet underscore install. So I want to create the virtual environment with this name. So I will hit enter now, and if I show you in the downloads folder, so you can see this folder is created, and inside this folder these are the folders and files are created. Now we need to activate this particular environment, and for that we will have to source one file which is present inside this bin folder. So you can see this activate file is there, so we need to source this particular file in the terminal. So for that I will say source and pyglet install, then bin and activate. So I will hit enter now. As you can see, pyglet underscore install in the beginning of the line, so it means this particular environment is activated now. Now we will run the command which will install the pyglet library. So for that we will use pip here. So I will say pip install and pyglet. So I will hit enter now. So it is downloading the pyglet, and successfully it has installed the pyglet library with this version 2.0.10. Now let's verify whether it is installed or not. So I will say pip list. So this will list all the libraries which are installed in this particular environment, in this pyglet underscore install environment. So I will say enter now. So as you can see, pyglet is there, and this is the version of pyglet. Now we will also verify the installation of pyglet library in some other way. So I will open up the Python shell and I will say Python 3 and hit enter. So I have entered into the Python shell now. So I will try to import this pyglet library. So I will say import pyglet. So it has been imported successfully, and let's try to print the version of pyglet itself. So I will say pyglet dot underscore underscore version and underscore underscore, and I will hit enter. So as you can see, this has printed the version successfully, so it means it is installed successfully and it is ready to use. Now I will come out from this shell. So I will say exit and brackets. So I have come out, and I will also deactivate this virtual environment so that I can come out from this environment and I will enter into the global environment. So I will say deactivate and I will hit enter. So I have come out from this virtual environment now. So that's all for this video. If you find any difficulty, so let me know in the comment, and also if the video was useful to you, do hit the like button, and also do not forget to subscribe the channel. And as always, keep learning, keep supporting. See you in the another video.